Hello traders, today is the 14th of July, blessing Friday guys. Most of the traders are really enjoying banking amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on Euro Yen. This morning pretty straightforward as explained to my trader. Look here, this is the previous price nicely respected, broken. After the breakout, price retested first time, so we're expecting here another possibility of, and if you look at here, that's the area we should be looking a long trade here. Let me explain to you guys how we analyze the market in intraday and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Okay, so just let me open this Euro Yen. Just give me 1 second guys. Alright, so if you look at here, this is the pretty straightforward this morning. We did this analysis as explained to my trader. Look for pullback or if the price gonna break, but for short we need a retest and confirm. But if you look at the momentum at the bottom, bullish, and if you look at here, price nicely broken. After this breakout, you can see here price nicely retest, give us the confirmation, and price nicely hit to the profit target and help my traders to bank amazing profit once the price nicely hit. I hope you enjoy this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day guys.